Alright, man, we're gonna do this one much quicker. Yeah, can you believe it? The second Riviera. I'll be darned, right? It's a 68. 1968, man. But this one's in real rough shape. Real rough shape. You put a tarp on her, I think, and that did a number on her, on that roof. And I think she was also a vinyl top car, you know, so that was a double whammy right there. Outside of that, she looks like a straight car, but the elements got to her. Grill's messed up. Well, the grill inside here, bumper's been busted up here, you know. The hood would look like it would have been straight, but it got kinked on both sides big time. Those hinges are stuck, man. I couldn't even get this one out here. You know, everything's under the hood, man. Everything's there. Everything is there. You know, windshield's busted. Trying to be as low key as I can, but this is right up front here, man. That back bumper's messed up too. Back glass is still good though, as you can see, man. Look at that. Destroyed on that roof, man. That roof is destroyed. Take a look inside real quick, man. Yeah. It's got bucket seats though, man. That's a power bucket on that side. So I can stick my hand down, touch the floor here. I think on that side too, on the front as well. Sucks, man. These buckets are probably toast. That sucks. Look at that. We got rust going like right up in here in this area. Oh man, that's bad. Yeah. Yep. Got that cool speaker grill in the center there in the back seat. And that power windows, cause I can see the back ones back here. I can see one right there. You can see all of them there. Here too. Nothing but nastiness inside the. Look at the light. Okay. Yeah. See, they put this on her too, man. This will really do a number. You should never put that on there. No. Got an old skillet, old frying pan or whatnot from who knows how long ago. Oh. Cool center console. You can't open this part here. No keys in it. I like the shifter. That's cool. Got an old PCV valve there. I don't know if it's new or not. Or oh man. Got the double ashtrays here in the center. Got the cool radio. That mileage, I didn't see it now. Steering wheel's all messed up. She is a tilt though. Tilt column. 68. Now the still down here. Ignition switch is on the is not on the column. Take a look on the back side, on the other side here real quick. Door actually don't close too bad. Yeah, I can't really even get in the hood. I can't get under the hood, man. I don't think I can. I tried. I can't. Trust me, it's all there. It's stuck, and I had to use both hands to do it. So I barely was able to get in. See, I don't know if we can see that VIN. Can y'all see that VIN? Probably not. Oh well. Door still opens alright though. Look at all that rust. dash pads all busted up, cracked and everything. Like I said, this is way worse. I wonder if they both, this and that 65 came from the same place. Yep. See the switch there for it. Door closes okay though. I don't think I even need to look underneath, but can't even anyways if I wanted to. She does have a full set of the Buick wheels. These are 5x5 on this one, on this car by this time. I don't remember if these 5x4 3/4 on the earlier ones, first gen. This is a second gen car. Well, there it is, man. There it is. Look at all that rust there too. I can only imagine what's in that trunk. Yeah. That's it. Let me get out of here before they like say, hey man, you done took too long here. You were supposed to be looking at the car and they think you're gonna buy something. Well, I do actually. I do want to buy something, but I really have ran out of time. Alright man, they finally brought the 68 Riviera 2 out here into the yard where everybody can check it out or whatnot. Get a better look at it. I ended up popping the trunk on it. You know, didn't really damage anything. This one held up a little better than that one. I bet they both came from the same place. I bet that GMC, that 73 GMC also did. Which would have been cool to have. Freaking plates, 71, 72, 73, 75, 74. But kind of toast. Craft juice. Man, do I remember any craft juice? I don't think so, man. Yeah, I don't remember this. Craft juice. Yeah, I don't remember that. Yep. Radiator hose. The jack. Bumper jack. That'd be good to have. That's it, man. That's all that's really in here. I took that radiator cap. It was what was it called? What's that? Robert Shaw? I'd say this deck is still salvageable, actually. Yeah. Obviously that roof is gone. Full set of the 15-inch, right? 15-inch. I believe these are 15s. Pretty sure they are. They're 5x5. That sucks. You can see behind it. You got the aluminum drums. They haven't messed with this one. No one's really touched it. Like I said, she's nasty. You've already seen the interior before. I still like to. I would still, if they were cheap enough, I'd take these bucket seats. I'd take that center console too if it was cheap enough. Maybe even that steering column. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to lift this hood up. I know it's gonna end up destroying it. We're gonna end up destroying it, but you know, it's already kinked on both sides. So let's see here. Where's that? Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Just coming along. Whew. Man, a little more. Damn, I need to get back in the gym. Crap. Whew. Oh man, I've been away from the gym too long. Let me sit you down for a second, see if I can do this a little more. Get a little... Alright, there we go. She should hold up there. Okay. Now I'm pretty sure this is going to be the 430, right? Can't really tell from here, but I think that's what these came with. Here's the check out how badly this these freaking hinges are. I'll make that out. You see that? Let me turn that light on, see if that works. See that? Helps you out a little bit. Probably not, right? Let me see if I can. Might be able to get a better shot of that now. All right. Ow. I wonder if this engine. I wonder if this engine is still in good shape. Can't really make that out. The battery's still in it. Oh shoot! Oh, compressor locked up on this one. Yep. Yeah, that compressor's locked up. Either that or I'm freaking weak as crap. One of the two. Shroud's good shape. POA valve. Seen better days. I'm referring to that valve right there. Can't really make that out so much right there. Yeah, that gunk is stuck on there. So there'll be no way to really be able to turn this. You know, I don't have any tools on me. Where's that dipstick at? Whew. Get that out of the way there, whatever that is. Where's my freaking... Wildcat light? I have a screwdriver. That ain't gonna do much though. They got weeds growing up in here. Oh man, I don't like the look of that. No, she looks like chocolate, man. She looks like a... Yeah, this thing's got water in it. Yeah. She looking brown. She ain't looking too hot. Yeah. No bueno, man. No bueno. No bueno. And I considered getting this engine, but let's see if I can turn that light on in there. I don't know. Yeah, nah, this engine's toast, man. I believe it is. I believe she's gone. Sad. Can't leave that, man. That's my snap-on right there that I found over there in the Austin pick-apart. Man, that guy took the okay, here we go. We got a T3, got another T3, another one, and that's not. Man, I might get these T3s. I need some, you know, for that authentic look. Yeah. Well, I don't know, man. What else to show? Should I take this off? Oh no! Wait a minute. I do have my. Let's see if I can even get it out of my pocket. Okay, I lied. I have one more tool. Irwin vice grip. Well, it's not a vice grip, but pliers that I also found over there at the Austin pick apart. But that's all I got. Only those two. Let's see what we got going on up in here at least. Oh man. Yeah. Rodent's been living in there. Yep. Alright. That's gonna do her, man. I think, right? Not much else to discuss on this one, you know? Unless I could, let me just take a quick look at that transmission. Just a quick look at that. Come on, damn it. Let's see here. And the transmission fluid looking nice. Yeah. I don't know, man. Transmission might be worth it. Ah, crap. See them brackets? I don't know. See that? I can't really. It's still got coolant. It's still green coolant down there at the bottom. I wonder what happened though, man, with this one. Oh, come on, get in there, get in there. There we go. All right, man, that's gonna do it. Shame on both of these. Put this back down at least a little bit. Got the Riviera deal in there. Yeah. Alright, man. Shame. Another one, she bit the dust a good while ago. Alright.